Before we dive into the world of Phasmophobia, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay up to date on the latest gaming tips and often the tricks. As a seasoned gamer, I've spent countless hours navigating the eerie corners of Phasmophobia's maps, and the Blood Moon event has added a whole new layer of intrigue to the game. And then the totems, those mysterious altar-like configurations floating ominously amidst flickering candles, have become my latest obsession. To advance and collect event rewards, it's essential to understand how to locate these enigmatic totems hidden within the Blood Moon event, but where to start? Let's break it down. To find the totems associated with the Blood Moon event, make sure to explore the following 4 locations: Point Hope, 13 Willow Street, 42 Edgefield Road, and Grafton Farmhouse. These artifacts can only be found on these particular maps, so if you're engaged in a contract elsewhere, they won't be accessible to you. In these areas, the totems tend to pop up in various spots, haphazardly, necessitating a thorough exploration of every nook and cranny on each map to locate them. While they seem to appear randomly, there are limited areas within each map where totems can be found. Over time, as you complete numerous missions at each location, you'll gradually learn all the potential spots to search for them. So what do totems look like in the Blood Moon Phasmophobia event? They're compact structures resembling altars, often showcasing a striking red moon-like image suspended above a black vase-esque base. They're typically adorned with candles that glow brightly, making them easily identifiable from a distance. But how many totems are on each map in the Blood Moon Phasmophobia event? 2 mystical emblems known as totems appear on the 4 mission maps upon your arrival. Their positions change every time, yet you'll consistently discover exactly 2 totems to locate and capture images of within each assignment. Now let's talk about how to photograph totems in the Phasmophobia Blood Moon event. When you discover a totem, remember to snap a photo of it to ensure it's included in the event. To do this effectively, make sure you have a photo camera in your equipment loadout. Select one of the event maps, grab a photo camera from the truck, find your totem, switch to your photo camera, line up a photo with the totem in the frame, and take a photo of the totem. Immediately after taking a photograph of the totem, it will vanish right before your eyes. If you don't observe this occurrence, try adjusting your position for a better angle and take another picture. The type of camera you're using may limit the number of photos you can take. So be mindful and accurate to guarantee getting a clear shot of the totem. And there you have it, folks. With a little patience and practice, you'll be a totem hunting pro in no time. Remember, it's all about the thrill of the hunt and the satisfaction of capturing that perfect shot. And why did the totem go to therapy? Because it was feeling a little off center. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,